So today I'm working on remounting my air conditioner. Originally had it mounted on the back wall, and worked okay, but for long term with the plans I have, it's not going to work. If you'll see, this back wall is two sections. You got a bottom section here and a top section here, and I built it like that so before I had the air conditioning, I built it like that so I could take this back wall off and just have open air and leave this bottom on if I wanted, or vice versa, or I can take the entire thing off and have completely open back. But having the this half of the AC unit mounted on that back wall prevented that. I couldn't take the top portion off. So what I'm going to be doing is, looks like I'm going to be mounting it right about here. And the reason I'm going to be mounting it here is because ultimately, let's see if I can find something. Here's a bar. Ultimately, I'm considering building some type of a slant back system, and I want to be able to run the slant back like so and have enough clearance with this. So I might even need to push it a little bit farther towards this back wall if it'll fit. And I'd prefer not drilling new holes. These pieces are independent too. These pieces come off separately. I built it kind of like a jigsaw puzzle, and I wanted it that way. There is method to the madness. So while it's open, I'm going to show you some of the electronics that I have and the way it's set up here. This is my electronics box, and you'll see I have the front two T-tops off. So when we go in here, I'm going to show you how this is set up. You got 24 volts coming in through the B pillar here. You can kind of see that wire, it's out of focus a little bit. Runs through the B pillar into here. This is the main power switch. 24 volt going into this box here, this junction box. Here's the primary 24 volt ground. And then from there I can run 24 volt accessories, or from there I got 24 volt going to a 24 to 12 volt converter. Then from there I have that running to this, which is all 12 volts. So everything here is 12 volt accessories, and that powers the little radio. Here's the front LED lights. Those are 24 volt. Here's a switch for the air compressor. That's 24 volt. The air compressor runs through a solenoid the way it's supposed to, the way that they want you to. So it's definitely not a thing of wiring beauty under here, but it's functional, and there's some extra space here for additional electronics if I want to. I'm going to put some communications radios in here. I have some space here to run something if I want. And I have some space on the other side if I want to run something on the other side. And then more space on the bottom for switches and whatnot. So that's where I'm at. That's what I'm doing. I need to paint the back walls. They're just aluminum right now. I'm gonna remount this. Oh, that's the other thing I need to do is, as of right now, this is mounted to the back wall and that's not gonna work. So what I need to do is dismount this from the back wall. These are more of a semi-permanent frame system that mounts these. So I'm gonna build a little frame that comes off here that'll mount this, so that I'll still be able to remove the back wall, and this will still be here, essentially like in a skeleton frame in the open air. So stay tuned, and I will post some more videos as the project comes along.